Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake mixture. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare your cake pans by greasing them thoroughly and dusting with flour. This simple preparation ensures a smooth baking process and prevents your cake from sticking, making removal much easier. Now, let's combine our dry ingredients. Sift your flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt into a large bowl. Sifting helps to aerate the flour and remove any lumps, which is crucial for a smooth batter. Use a whisk to gently mix these ingredients until they are fully incorporated and evenly distributed. This step is key for a consistent cake texture. Next, we'll prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together your eggs, milk, and vegetable oil until well blended. Now, slowly pour the wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Mix gently with a spatula or an electric mixer on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a tough cake. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. Finally, it's time to bake. Pour your perfectly mixed batter evenly into the prepared cake pans. Place them in your preheated oven and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Allow the cakes to cool in their pans for 10 minutes before carefully inverting them onto a wire rack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.